Don't run.
You ready?
The Grinch.
Grinch?
Yep. The Grinch is Thursday. That little kid like, no, I ain't got no time for that. Good morning, everybody. Today is the ride we talked about doing last night. We actually going to do it, and it's going to ride the Panhandle of Florida to see what they call a scenic route. It is extremely short. We know there are some spots where we can actually see the Gulf, but not enough to really call it scenic. We don't know. We're going to bring it on that. We know on the eastern side of Florida, the Atlantic Ocean is scenic somewhat, but we're from California, so that's not that scenic compared to California. But we're going to bring you this. We know there's some beautiful crystal clear waters out here. We played, well, we didn't get in it yesterday, but we're probably going to play in it today. But before that ride, we got to eat. So we're going to get some breakfast going. And then after the breakfast, we're going to mount up, suit up, get out, and take that scenic ride and bring it to you. So hang with us today. And we're going to show you if it's worth coming down here to Florida, the Panhandle area, just to ride the coast. However, we know it's worth coming down here to play. Yeah, they get some good play spot. Yep. All right, let's go see if this ride is a scenic ride.
Yeah, all the hype that they talk about.
I know.
You ready? Go
Hold
ahead.
on. You going? I'm going to the left, right?
Left?
Go ahead.
Yeah, left.
Soon I put it in first, it might be good. No, I'm just kidding.
All clear.
Copy that.
Like some people done left this morning, huh?
Yep.
Left and left again?
Oh, I was about to go right. We go,
Like we
going
we
around in
going
circles,
around in circles.
just like we done when we got here. Cause
That's the
the
street
guys,
we live on right there.
the guy said, he said to me, first time here. I said no. He said it's been 5 years, but no. So you need a map? I said nah. and I wish we had one. It took us 10 minutes to find our spot. But our favorite spots in this park, case if you guys wanted to know and want to come to it, it is 168 and 138.
Car coming on.
Copy.
We going left.
Left turn, Clyde.
Hi.
Hello. That's one thing about this park, and obviously, Florida is a vacation spot, especially for retirees.
There's
Yeah.
tons of people riding bikes and not motorcycles, just pedal
Going
bikes.
right.
Copy that right.
See, I was right yesterday. We could have came to the front right here.
Yes, dear.
But you ain't want to come on the street because there's nothing to see.
Yes, dear.
Hmm.
And then left at the corner. So when we turn in, if we go to
Okay.
the beach,
Excuse me.
we're gonna go back the way we going now. If it's something to the left, and then turn around and ride all the way down to see how much beauty they have that we can actually see without houses being in the way. All right, turning left, heading to the beaches.
All right. Let's go see what we could see.
All right, technically, left lane, left lane. Technically, the beaches are to our right.
To your left.
That's what I said.
Or your other left.
Okay, just making sure you're on the ball. I'm gonna turn right here. Nope, that's officers and check-in. Keep going. Well, you know what? If I stay right here, look like this goes to a road over there. I don't know. Because right now, it look like they're a block away and seem like everything's in the way, whether there's a hotel or a restaurant, which means this is not a scenic drive so far. Look at the snowman. So, yeah, the beach is on the other side of these houses. So this road should run right into it. And that's what I was talking about, is not a scenic drive. Even though I did not see the sign say scenic yet. Uh-oh, got a little something. Look at that.
There you go. There.
Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Now, honestly,
Wow.
when we were going to the Lone Star rally, Galveston was way better the way Omar and I came. Okay, coming up here now, I see the crystal clear water.
Ooh, that's blue.
And we're going to ride all the way down until it ends to see if this worked, the scenic route like
Surfside
the Atlantic coast. Yeah, I guess. Let me stand up.
Yeah, I would say it's a scenic route. This is beautiful. There go Majestic Suns to your right. That's where we stayed at, right there with the indoor pool. Right across the street. Yep. That was a scooter.
Yeah. And I know we had a restaurant on this side.
Right there. The
Whale
whales.
Tail?
Mm-hmm. We walked all down here. It'd be a nice day for a walk too. Park and walk.
Let's stop, go down, and come back.
Oh man, I meant to pack our chairs.
We don't even have to do it.
Huh?
We don't have to do it on the bike either.
No. That's the ones I wanted to pack.
Now here's where it doesn't compare to, let's just say some parts of Atlanta just has all that you like to see. And of course, I wouldn't mind staying in one of these condos where you're really fucking scooter people, but to call it, well, this is where it is. Continue on this. Be cute.
Uh-huh.
We'll be back.
In February.
They go out on this video. And that's it. For the date on it, because I want to hold it probably to say there to go to the
Well, you know you gotta wait till they off onto the sidewalk.
Huh?
Alvin.
I bet I'll be get dancing out of it.
Hmm. The people getting their souvenir on.
That people
They
they
beach
drive
wear.
it tonight. Oh no wonder from Alabama.
Uh,
Because if you're in Florida
so
driver,
you're not trying to get home real quick.
no, to be on this air, Florida driving on harbor. Literally Florida. No, these are really breaking. See,
Yep. Vacation
like that was so fun.
for rent.
Yeah. Papa Joe's.
Pompano Joe's. I know we ain't there.
Yep. I mean, it's more of a change. I was surprised that I was spending. I was surprised I didn't go out spending stuff. Crazy.
Blue surf.
But we had that Papa Joe's and actually get supplies. How good it was to be change. Seems like it's big on East Coast. Well, especially the East Coast.
We parked in that parking
All
lot.
right. What y'all think? Scenic ride or not? I'm loving it.
And the day makes it even more of a scenic ride. It's so beautiful. You can see. I got 7-0 on the 10th.
7-0. Yeah. See, I would hate to purchase here and think every time you wake up you're going to see this, and then all of a sudden do something on that side.
I think that was a preserve.
Walk your view. The left side of it just passed, the preserve.
Yep, that was preserved.
Yeah, since somebody preserved $1 billion.
Yeah, money will unpreserve it.
And then they build on it and make 3 times as much as they paid for it. Okay, we're actually entering Destin. Now, one thing about this whole coast.
Love Wyndham Beach Cottages. That's why I was trying to get there too.
Okay. One thing about this whole coast, the whole Destin, all the way down to Santa Rosa, that whole strip, even if you're not a watermonger, or you come in here to ride the Scenic and you get disappointed because the Scenic wasn't Scenic, there's a lot of eateries and a lot to play. I mean, this is fantastic. Until we turn them back in,
Yeah, we are.
and then they'll make a right, a left, and then you see where that goes. Right all the way down to Destin, Emerald Tower. And
Emerald Bay, Emerald Cove.
Yeah, I know they got 3 motorcycle paths.
Yeah, definitely if you're down here, it's not a bucket list or a must ride. See for yourself. But if you're in the Destin area, of course, yeah, go ahead on and take that ride.
Harbor Walk Village. We reached our destination, or we talking about staying and playing. No, we never stayed in that, but we done a tour in it before. I thought there was a gate. Remember?
It was.
And you were talking
when they
about
was working on something.
my motorcycle park free. Guess everybody park free now, huh? Right here.
You're not
Yep.
in the motorcycle parking.
Huh?
You're not in the motorcycle parking.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
What else could fit here? We have made it to our destination after riding what they say is the scenic part. Tell us what you think. But this area right here is the big play area. Lots of play, see and do. Yep. I knew she had something to say. Talk.
Yeah, the scenic route was pretty cool. I liked it. Could be a little better without all the houses blocking the Gulf of Mexico. But now we're in the area where we're gonna probably eat. No, we're not. We're gonna get back to camp and we're gonna cook. But we just wanted to bring this to you guys and show you where we are. Come on, let's go.
Water stay and play, charter fishing, scuba diving, inshore fishing, snorkel on a jelly, dolphin excursion, beginner paddleboarding.
And for all you pet lovers, hot asphalt. It is hot. It will burn the paws or your feet. Can you see me? Choo choo. It actually worked.
What's that road we ride on when you got in the train? California Little Dragon.
Yeah. Tree in the back.
No. Okay, now get out.
Can we take a picture of it all together?
No, I ain't falling in that thing. I'm recording it on video now. Got to slide. Look at the struggle. Look at the struggle. Uh-huh. All right, we just made it back. Tell us what y'all think. Is it worth coming down here for those beautiful blue beach waters? I think it's worth coming down here and enjoying the waters. But to call it a scenic ride, like Cake said earlier, to come out here on your vacation, make it a bucket list item, no.
I would say not.
Yeah,
Unless you're coming to enjoy the water.
Yeah,
Then you take the scenic.
the whole area is fantastic. So if you want a great vacation, yes, we'll suggest this entire area, the entire coastline. But if you say, okay, let's just go down there, we're gonna ride on the beach, the Panhandle, see the scenic views of Florida. Nope. We love it because we're here for several days, so we're going back tomorrow. Park the bikes, and we're gonna have a beach play day. For real though.
For real though.
For real though. Meanwhile, we gotta go down and get dinner started because I got an echo in my stomach. I'm so hungry, I'm losing weight.
Anyway.
That's all we have for now. But if you're out riding, remember, ride long, ride hard, ride strong, and most importantly,
Ride safe.
with Boots and Jeans Riders, I'm Rich.
And I'm Kate.
And we out. Peace.